Hello children, what's up? I think everything is fine now, except the school has not opened yet. Children, we all have heard of the phrase a lot of times in our lives. The phrase I am referring to is expect the unexpected. Hardly did we imagine that it would manifest in lives of all human beings at the same time, and unfortunately it did manifest in the form of COVID-19. Unexpected, unprecedented and unheard of, the microscopic devil has ruined many lives, and it continues to do so with aplomb, that is self-assurance. It brought the whole world to a standstill, and the world had to adapt itself to never before experienced but life-saving preventive measures like quarantine, isolation, physical distancing, work from home, etc. became a new normal now. Children, one common byproduct of all these measures was a forced solitude, that is forced isolation. It gave us a lot of time alone. This alone time worked as a boon for some, but at the same time bane for many. People who utilized this time effectively by doing creative and some productive things sailed smoothly through this testing time, but unfortunately many people could not manage it and were not prepared for a crisis of this magnitude in their life. These people started crumbling under the stress. Uncontrolled thoughts, evil thoughts in their mind during the spare time, and giving them a lot of anxiety. Children, I am going to be a little informal. As the saying goes, an idle mind is devil's workshop. The devilish ideas and actions originating from those ideas started showing in people's behavior nowadays. You know, this idle mind is a very dangerous commodity. Yes, an idle mind is devil's workshop. Evil thoughts enter our brain easily when we remain idle. Children, the mind of a man cannot remain vacant for a long time. Unless it is occupied with some positive ideas, it will turn to bad or evil thoughts. When a person has nothing to do, he naturally becomes lazy, and that is because of his idleness. I think everyone knows this, and if you don't know, don't worry. You may find many people around who are a testimony to this proverb. An idle person's mind is always empty, so it makes a lot of sound like an empty vessel. These idle people live in the world of fantasy, imagination, fiction. They don't bother about what is happening around. What they want is pleasure of being idle. The brain is idle when they do not have anything to think about. What is an idle? Idle is nothing but a state of mind where a person wants to do nothing but to think irrationally. Everything around him, he finds it negative and think over it pessimistically. He sometimes gets nervous or depressed, sometimes unrealistic, sometimes possessive, sometimes anxious, sometimes annoyed with others, sometimes worried, sometimes adamant, and sometimes aggressive. This is all nothing but despondence. This person does not have any aspirations and ambitions in life. He does nothing but to envy others. Why? Because he knows what is he lacking. Children, we And God has not created humans to remain idle. We are meant to create, to innovate, to do great things, and most importantly, to make a difference in this world. Of all the creatures on this earth, only human mind is blessed with an intelligence. This intelligence is not put to use, it will be a waste of the greatest gift that God has bestowed on the human beings. Any wicked idea or evil deed may be regarded as devil, and implementing that idea is workshop. Disastrous is the only result of an idleness. A man with an idle mind suffers and makes others suffer too. So finally, children, this is my request to all. If you find such type of mood within you, then please be alert. It could be an onset of an idleness. Be like an ant who is always busy, because work is a worship and is a fruit of life. If a person is occupied with work, he does not have time to dwell on anything but his own work. So keep yourself busy. I'm sure it will be soothing experience. If you don't want to become an idol, or if you don't want to become a devil, then you need to put up and start. I'm sure you will succeed enough to live a successful life. All the best. I wish you all luck and happiness forever in your life.